name is Brittany Aguilar, and I'm a program manager who runs the Excellence in Science Communication Awards program. A couple of years ago, we were trying to come up with ways to provide professional development opportunities to the science communication awardees. We wanted to develop something that would give people like a really low-risk way of learning filmmaking.
We wanted to be able to give people a practical introduction to science filmmaking, and we tried to put the theory to the side and just get people picking up cameras and starting to make films from the get-go.
So the traditional way is to have, if you're doing a cross-camera interview, you have the interviewee set to one side.
This time, we've had the amazing luxury of being based at Cold Spring Harbor Labs and taking our students to go and work with real scientists in their real labs. It's been amazing.
I love Cold Spring Harbor Labs. I think it's the perfect environment for like an intimate retreat where you feel like you can all be together and you can be learning, but you're out in nature and there's a very rich academic environment that you have access to.
So we divide filmmaking into 3 sections: pre-production, production, and post-production. The pre-production is writing scripts, doing your research, and getting ready to film. And then we have a day of filming, so they actually go out with a scientist to their labs, film for the whole day, and today we've started the post-production, so editing. So everyone's in there going through all the material they shot yesterday and starting to put a story together, a story that they'd worked out in advance, went and shot, and now they're putting it together.
Standout moments so far would be taking them into this working space to meet the contributors who are going to make films with them, and watching them really step up, really work hard to make sure they can make the best film they possibly can, and also to step into the world of the contributors for a little bit and try and think about the world through their eyes and sort of find this empathic connection that's going to make a great film.
Science communication helps people think more positively about the future. You can see how the work that somebody is doing over there affects your life here, and it gives you a sense of hope and a sense that maybe the future will be better than the present.
Science is a profound influence on how we live as humans. In many ways, it's the greatest invention that humankind has had. Science is the reason why we can shoot an interview. Science is the reason why, if you're feeling unwell, you don't just die, but you can go and get medicine. I think the more that we are able to explain what scientists are doing in a clear and compassionate way, making the public understand that scientists are just people who are trying to add to the benefit of society, then we're really doing a great job with science communication.